This is all about machine assembly and installation. Here is the conveyor. It needs to place under the machine. And this is the platform. These two are vibrators for the clamp clips. And these two are counting system. Go back to the back side of the machine. You see all these numbers here, just plug in all these aviation plugs because we have to unplug all these cables when we get the machine for the shipping. And below is the air supply parts. You see how the air pipes are connected in. And this one is the power cable. So now we'll connect the power and the air. And then turn on the power. And here is the power cable connected to the conveyor. See, there is a socket here. And this one start button and this one is power indicator. Two temperature control modules are for the vertical ceiling. You can see the modes on the left and right side. If the ceiling is not good enough, we can press this button to adjust the temperature. We can either increase or decrease the temperature. These two modules are for the horizontal ceiling. As you can see from the tag, there is horizontal ceiling inside and horizontal ceiling outside. Also for vertical ceiling left and vertical ceiling right. There is a lamp here. You can adjust the position and use it to check anywhere you want. Here is the indicator lamp. And now this is the screen menu. So in this video, you see how different parts are connected. The main machine and the conveyor will be disassembled for shipping. The vibrators will also be disassembled from the platform. For the cable here, you just plug it in, and you see the number here. There is cable number 2. And these two parts will be kept right here, just the cable number 1 and cable number 2. Operators, you have to make it right in the right place.